Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic frame in VN Video Editor. So if you want to give your videos a cinematic look, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a cinematic frame in VN to make your edits look smooth, professional, and movie-like. So what you need to do first is of course launch the VN app. Tap on the plus icon and tap on new project and add the clips you want to edit. Tap on next and here so you can see the video is landscape, but I'm going to change it into vertical one, so you can just tap on the original at the top, so click on it and change to the size that you want. In this case I'm going to go with 9 by 16. Click on the check icon. And now I'm going to trim the clips, I think to around 2 seconds. Split it, I'm going to delete. Okay. This is optional, so you cannot skip this, you can skip this part. And after that you can tap on this PIP, click on photos, go to the VN stocks and add this black image. And now you can enlarge it to cover the whole frame like this and adjust the durations to match with the video durations. Next, you can go to mask, still on the black image. Find mask, choose the rectangle option, and now you can adjust the size to make it square, and also adjust the edges to make it curve like this. You can always adjust the size to how you like it. You can make it like this or make it square, that's up to you. And after that you can tap on the rectangle option again at the bottom to reverse the masking like this. So now you'll get this frame. Tap on a check icon and here you can preview the result by playing the video. So you'll get this frame for your edits now. And that's pretty much all. With this VN video editor tricks, your video will stand out with high quality profile aesthetic. If you think so, don't forget to like, subscribe for more VN video editor tutorials, and don't forget to drop a comment below if you still have questions. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!